I'm back again with another unboxing. Let me get a trusty knife out of here. Not my usual one, but I'm outdoors, not the same as the one I use indoors for my unboxings. But basically what I have here, oh boy, is another tool for, chair for my shop, this workshop. I have a small one I'm sitting on, but I really need a better chair. And so VEVOR sent this out for me to review on behalf of thegadgeteer.com. Let me move forward a little bit. Space is tight, but I wanted to do it in here because I could have done it somewhere else. I could have unboxed it somewhere else, but why? I'm in the garage, right? This is where it's gonna live with my bikes and all the work I do. And since I am about to embark on my second knee replacement surgery, basically, having a good chair works for me. So I'm not sure if you can see that. I hope you can. I'm moving it up a little bit. I'm going to take out the boxes. It comes with a box. This is likely a bunch of parts, bolts or something. The big base. So it's pretty compact, right? It's not that heavy either. So I see a bag of tools and bolts. I can reach it for you. There it is. It's got an Allen key, actually 4 bolts, 4 washers, and a combination wrench. It's got in here what I think would be the pole, the seat pole. It's got, let me get rid of that box if I can. This is the bottom base here, and I probably have to take this off just to get it to come off. Don't know. I was trying to take it off. It probably can't, but I'm trying to get the seat out. They put the seat in it for shipping in the middle, and it may require me to take it off. So let's see. I don't want to break anything, but I don't want to spend the whole time on the unboxing. That should be rather simple. There's the seat. There's the base. Let's cut open the first box. It's getting hot in here. Let me see if I can get some AC coming in from the room behind me. Yes, I can, from the gym behind me. And what you have here is 4 wheels. 1, 2. Actually, it's 2 in here. That's interesting. There are 2 wheels in here. So let's go jump into conclusions yet. Put those 2 wheels down. Sit this up. It's got the holder. I think you mount this somewhere that holds tools and I guess cans and whatever you're using. Even if you're drinking something, the cup. I've got what I know here to be the piece that you use to raise it up and down, the sort of actuator handle, if I may call it that. Oh, there's another box here with 2 more wheels. I was wondering. I was kind of get iffy, but sometimes people do things and they store it weird ways, so I didn't want to speak beforehand. But there's the actuator handle. I'm gonna throw the box over there so I can throw the garbage in it. Let's see if I can keep that open. Throw it over there. Here we go. It's garbage. It's garbage. I will have to pause for a second to take a photo to show what came in the box, because this unboxing will be part of the entire review that I will write on the-gadgeteer.com. This chair's got a nice cushy to it and a back. Let's hope I don't rip this up, knowing me. Rest that there for the picture, for the photo op. Rest that there. There's a manual. Let's rip this open. So we've got 2 more casters. Get rid of that box, nothing in it. Yep. This is the holder, like I said. And this is likely so this is supposed to be an unboxing only, but it's probably going to be an unboxing and assembly, because I'm certainly not going to come back and take another video separately and bore you guys out of something that's so simple. So what I am going to do is just take one quick second here. Let me see how I can make these look decent. Can I? Let's see what my skills are. So I can take a photo for the review to show exactly what came. So when you're reading it on the-gadgeteer.com, the photos will make sense, especially if you take the time to look at the video and the photos. Now let's put it together real quick. I'm only using this because obviously it's a sequence of events, and you put the cart before the horse, you end up foolish, right? So let's do it in the reverse, but same thing. We're first gonna make it easy. I'm gonna flip this over and I'm gonna put on the 4 wheels, right? So let's take a photo of this that's upside down. Right. And then let's put some wheels on. Should be pretty simple. All right. There, it's August in New York. We've had the threat of a hurricane close the last few days, so it's not as crazy hot as it would have been otherwise. This would have been a difficult video to do here because it would be very, very hot, and even using the door open for the gym behind would not have been cool enough. And I would have had to have on the exhaust fan, which I turned off for this video, but the exhaust fan makes a lot of noise. I don't know, I might, if you don't hear this version of the review, then this part may be a time lapse, right? Because I'm sure you don't want to sit here and watch me screw wheels on a back of a the VEVOR shop chair, I call it. Not sure what they called it. I gotta look to see. In the name of the review will be the name that they sent it as, whatever they call it. What's the manual say? Affordable repair seats. That's what they call it, the repair seat. Interesting name, but repair seat. So I'm thinking that it might be easy if this is the right size spanner. Here we go. Save me a lot of labor. That's one. That's two. And all of these, well, two of them have locking casters, as you can see, so that they can lock you into place. It's not something I'm likely to use, because unless I'm storing it away, because most of the time I want to be rolling around. That's what I hate about these types of. That's three. That's 4. So I'm just going to take a photo now, like that. Show the locking casters, like that. And like that. So now that rolls around, feels very fluid. So the next part is the rest of the screws that came in here with the washers and everything, it says. I know these are not supposed to be tightened too tight because they'll strip very easily. I will tighten them to a certain extent. There's not much left to this chair. And this time lapse, I guess it'll be a time lapse, but it'll be a slower time lapse than my others. You have to see how this goes now. And there you have it, folks. The VEVOR repair seats. Was it model 9025? See if it works. Where's the lever? There we go. So it's pretty high. It's pretty high. higher than a normal repair seat, so it'd probably be more geared towards working on my bike here, my bigger bike. It doesn't go as low. That's as low as it goes, which is in comparison to my other seat here, it is quite a bit higher, isn't it? But it'll work well for me to work in. Feels like good quality. And I forgot where this goes. This snaps on to any edge. So there you go. And that's it. Until the next unboxing and assembly, like, share, subscribe. The VEVOR seat. I like the fact that it's comfy. It's pretty tall. This is metal. It's got the holders. You got this tray. You got storage. The height might be the only thing that makes it some cases not applicable and still mean that I have to use this chair that comes up that high. But if I sit on this, in comparison, I hope you can see me. If I sit on this comparison, it goes all the way down. Okay? So that is the difference between the two chairs. I hope you can see that clearly in the two heights. Otherwise, VEVOR chair feels like a winner. Catch you soon in the next one.